You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Ram 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, remote engine start, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, four-wheel drive. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need. The Ram 1500.